Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled LLM Evaluation Metrics. How to grade your AI's homework, measuring how good your AI's responses are. Using scores and benchmarks. Analogy: like a teacher grading essays for grammar, relevance, and creativity. Imagine you've built an amazing AI assistant using large language models. LLMs. How do you know if it's actually amazing and giving good answers? Just like a teacher grades student essays for grammar, relevance, and creativity, we need ways to grade our AI's responses. This process is called LLM evaluation. It's how we measure if our AI is smart, helpful, accurate, and safe, using scores and benchmarks to understand its performance. As a developer, you're not just throwing code out there. You want it to work well. For your AI, this means giving useful, accurate, and helpful responses. If your AI gives bad answers, users will quickly lose trust. Evaluating helps you. 1. Find bugs and hallucinations. Is your AI making things up or giving irrelevant answers? 2. Improve it. How do you make your AI smarter, more creative, or more concise? 3. Compare versions. Is your newly tweaked AI model actually better than the old one? 4. Build trust. Demonstrate that your AI is reliable and performs as expected. Think of it as the testing phase for your AI's intelligence and communication skills. When you write a calculator app, 2 plus 2 is 4 easy to grade. It's either correct or incorrect. But AI responses are often more like an essay, a creative story, or a complex explanation. For example, if you ask an AI to write a poem about a cat, there isn't just one right answer. If you ask it to explain quantum physics simply, it needs to be accurate, clear, and easy to understand, even if it uses different words than a textbook. This means we need evaluation methods that can understand nuance, creativity, logical flow, and overall quality, not just exact word matches. Sometimes, the best way to know if an AI response is truly good is to ask a human. In human evaluation, you show real people the AI's answer and ask them to rate it on a scale, e.g., 1 to 5 stars, for specific criteria like relevance. Is the answer on topic? Accuracy. Is it factually correct? Fluency. Does it sound natural and well written? Helpfulness. Does it solve the user's problem? Safety. Is the content harmful, biased, or inappropriate? Developer tip: you can build simple web interfaces for this or use platforms that hire human annotators. It's often slow and expensive, but provides the most reliable and nuanced feedback, especially for creative or complex tasks where context is key. For quicker, objective checks, we use automated metrics. Imagine you have a perfect answer called a reference answer, and your AI generates its own answer. Metrics like blue and rouge are like super smart plagiarism checkers. They count how many words or phrases overlap between your AI's response and the reference answer. Blue, bilingual evaluation understudy. Often used for machine translation. It measures how many words match between the AI's translation and a human's correct translation. Rouge, recall-oriented understudy for gisting evaluation. Often used for summarization, it measures how much overlap exists between the AI's summary and a human-written reference summary. Developer tip: these give you a quick, objective score, which is great for seeing progress. However, they might not understand if the AI's answer makes sense if it uses different, yet equally correct, wording. Perplexity is a fancy word for how surprised your AI is when it predicts the next word in a sequence. Think of it like a game of fill in the blanks for your AI. Asterisk if your AI is writing, "The cat sat on the," and it expects "mat," and the next word is indeed "mat," it's not very perplexed. Low perplexity equals good. AI understands language well. Asterisk if it expects "mat," but the next word is "zebra," it's very perplexed. High perplexity equals bad. AI is surprised, suggesting it might be generating less natural or coherent text. Developer tip: lower perplexity generally means your AI has a better grasp of language and can generate more natural, fluent, and sensible text. It's a quick way to gauge the overall quality and smoothness of your AI's language generation. Just like a good essay isn't just about grammar, a truly good AI response isn't just about matching words or having low perplexity. We also need to grade for faithfulness, factuality. Is the AI sticking to the facts it was given? Or is it hallucinating, making things up? This is crucial for applications where accuracy matters. Coherence. Does the response flow logically? Does it make sense from start to finish? Or is it a jumble of ideas? Relevance. Does it directly answer the user's question? Or does it wander off topic? Helpfulness, utility. Does the response actually help the user achieve their goal? Developer tip: often, you'll need a mix of human review and more advanced automated checks. Sometimes even using another eye to evaluate your AI's outputs, to truly assess these complex qualities. So, how do you put all this into practice? Think of it as a continuous improvement loop for your AI. 1. Define success. What does a good answer look like for your specific AI application? E.g., must be concise, must cite sources, must be creative. 2. Collect and create data. Gather typical questions your users will ask and, if possible, create perfect reference answers, or have humans rate them. 3. Run automated tests. Use metrics like Blue, Rouge, and Perplexity for quick, repeatable checks, especially during development. 4. Incorporate human review. Periodically, have humans evaluate responses for nuance, creativity, factuality, and safety, especially for critical tasks. 5. Analyze and improve. Look at why your AI scored low. Was it the prompt? The data? The model itself? Adjust, retrain, if needed, and re-evaluate. Remember, evaluation isn't a one-time step. It's a continuous process to make your AI smarter, more reliable, and more aligned with user needs over time. Much like continuous integration and testing for traditional software. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.